This is CC Cycle 1, Week 13 from Exodus 20, the scripture memory. This is verse 9. You are to labor 6 days and do all your work. So you're going to start by pointing, dominant hand. You are to labor. This is a sign for work. It's basically like an S hand shape, dominant hand on top, and you're hitting your wrist on top of your other wrist. So you are to labor 6 days. You're going to do the sign for 6, which is here, if you're curious. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 6 days. It's the same sign for day, but you're doing the number with it. And then it says, and do all your work. So you're just going to do the sign for work again. Do all your work. It kind of goes in a circle like this. So you are to labor 6 days and do all your work.
Sabbath day, to keep it holy, you are to labor 6 days and do all your work.
Okay, that's week 13.